Alright, hi guys, thanks for tuning in my channel. Today I'm going to install something that I'm hoping is, again, going to help protect our vehicle from the wondrous world of small children. Today I've got, what is it called? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try and fit the kick protector mat. So, our car should actually have two of these slots because we've got an HDMI port on the right and we've got the 12 volt 120 watt cover on the left. But anyway, this appears to be the best way to put it in, looking at the cutout and the extra protection up top here. So all I'm doing is sliding it in, and we've got two kids. One on the right is old enough that I don't really worry about him kicking things anymore. But the one on the left certainly is capable of just about anything. So what I've decided to do, and I think should work, is I'm just gonna actually use one of these Velcros. There's all sorts of them, but at least the way we have the vehicle set up right now, I don't think, let me just peel back my floor mat if I can. Okay. So I was able to push that down, and then the floor mat on top. Okay. So maybe, yeah, I think what I'm going to do for now is I'm just going to use the one Velcro just so it looks a little bit tidier. But basically, you know, that's the fitment. So the fitment's good. It's definitely going to serve the job. And yeah, I think this is probably a reasonable thing to consider if you're trying to protect the inside of your vehicle and not get all that hardback plastic scratched up. So yeah, thumbs up for this product. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you the final fit that I went with here. So this is nice. Follows the line of the vehicle. It fits flush, and our rubber floor mats fit nice and snug on top. I just did the two Velcros up at the top. It's definitely going to do the job. That's a nice fit. It's not going to move anywhere. And I think it's just got just a nice amount of padding. It seems durable enough that will do the job. So yeah, really happy with that purchase. And I think if you're looking to protect your vehicle from kids and objects, certainly something that you should consider just adding onto the center console.